Now that you're part of the movement to electric mobility, what's next? The most convenient way to charge your vehicle is with an EV charge point at home. Once you have made the decision to opt in for a home charge point, we'll pass your details onto our preferred charge point operator, sometimes known as the CPO, to arrange either an online or in-person assessment with an engineer. You'll be asked to identify the gas and electricity boxes, the fuse box and the water meter. These can be located both inside and outside of the property. You'll also be asked where you'd like the charge point to be fitted and the location of off-street parking or where the car will be parked. If everything's okay, the CPO will send your application to the distribution network operator, sometimes referred to as the DNO. The DNO is not the same as your electricity supplier. They are the company responsible for physically bringing electricity into your home. Before approval, the DNO may decide that some additional work needs to be done to ensure your charge point will be safe and reliable. This additional work may result in extra installation costs for you. Once the additional work is done, you're nearly there. The DNO will give the green light, and the CPO will call you with an update on what happens next and arrange a convenient installation time. Standard installations usually take under 3 hours on installation day, but this can vary according to each home's requirements. And once completed, you'll be shown how to use your new charge point and how to pair your new charger to the app. Then you can start to enjoy the convenience of charging at home. LeasePlan.